to VDM. A lot of people misunderstood the video he did the other day because they think he's saying, forget about Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ, it's a distraction. I doubt it. Maybe he can clarify that a little bit better. But I believe what he's saying is the government is trying to use it to throw off the heat on them with Donald Trump and the Christian killings, you know? Yeah, that said, VDM needs to make a follow-up video to say, guys, we know saying a distraction, but we no go agree. VDM, yes, it's written that Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ will be there. They want him to die in prison. In fact, they want him to serve the whole life sentence. You're saying 15 years to 20 years. But you as an activist and all the other activists, I'm calling upon all of you, Mama P, Demo, Randy Peters, them, all the artists, activists in Nigeria, join Shore, do like Shore. The fact that they say they want to give them 15, 20 years, VDM, it does not mean say we should let it stand. Mbanefo. Mbano. Your job now is to tell the government, even though I don't plan say na 15 years and I want to give Kanụ, we no go agree. That's why you're an activist. You're an activist not because the people want you to sit down and wait for the 15, 20 years they want to give to Kanụ while you protest about the release of the newly abducted children. No, an activist is an all-around fighter. You understand? You don't give up. VDM, make another video or join Shore. Call for the immediate release of Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ. Put more pressure on it while you're still working on the abducted girls in Kebbi and Niger State. Do that, because all activists, all hands on deck. I said it before that Maazị Nnamdị Kanụ could have received what they call a nollie prosecute, but Tinubu did not do that. They wanted to give him a conviction first. Why? Because Tinubu wanted to please these people that he thought were his supporters from the north. But those people don't live Amtete. So he doesn't want to offend them. He wants to play games with Kanu's detention. So that at the end of the day, he will tell them, you see, I'm no release them. Then when it's time for political whatever, before the elections, he will now release Kanụ and gain the votes in the east. The votes where Ingo lose from the north. But Tinubu is forgotten that the North don't leave him before Kanụ matter. The North is not leaving Tinubu because of Kanụ. They are leaving him because of subsidy, because of the things, appointments and other things that he's not been doing well in their favor. That's why they all left. And now they're fully into the ADC machinery. You understand? So don't think you're losing the North because of Kanụ. Tinubu na lie. So if you say you don't want to give Kanụ nollie prosecute, that means stop the prosecution before the conviction because you don't want to offend them. Now the Southeast you want to offend, Abi. And you know that question can open. Tinubu, there's still time. Stop it right now. End that detention right now. They won't. We4We Media Pinnacle Entertainment. Ah.